Okay, this video is on how to iron a shirt, a polo shirt with a collar, or just a t-shirt, a short sleeve shirt in a very quick amount of time, probably 2 or 3 minutes. So we're going to do the right hand side sleeve, short sleeve, one side and the other side. Then we're going to do the other sleeve. It doesn't matter if you do it inside out. I just had it washed inside out, so I just leave it the way it is. I don't care, I don't want to waste time. So you do the other short sleeve of your polo shirt, and then you don't really do a collar. You only do, you put it onto the ironing boards like so, and you just iron away. There's no particular way that you have to do it. You just start it. See, we've gone all the way up to the buttons here, and we'll just do that a little bit, as long as it's flat, no creases, and you keep doing it. It doesn't matter how many moves you have to use. You keep turning around, even if it's a small move such as this. As long as you got it flat, you can do it quickly. Keep working away, ironing away like so. No creases. All the way up. And like so. This is really done. So we've done it in 1 minute and 40 seconds. So this is your shirt ironed in under 2 minutes.